This video presents interaction techniques of SESAME, which support rapid creation and manipulation of a 3D scene. This sequence demonstrates a basic drawing and extrusion interface. While a user draws a line, the system displays several visual guides to help the user with drawing in the perspective view. The large white circle is displayed to cue the orientation of the drawing surface. White guides designate axis-aligned suggestions. Purple guides suggest parallel lines. Yellow guides are perpendicular to an existing line. By displaying all suggestions appropriate for the current cursor position, a user can choose which guidelines to snap to. The system automatically recognizes closed contours even in the presence of crossing line segments. With this, the system supports the creation of emergent shapes, which is an important factor for creativity. This sequence demonstrates the extrusion interface, which allows users to quickly generate solids. Once a closed contour is detected, it can be extruded into the third dimension by starting a drag operation inside the contour. Depending on the dragging direction, the user can either create a new volume or subtract from an existing volume. The height of extrusion is determined by amount of the mouse movement. Using edge dragging technique, various types of shapes can be created. To create a pyramid-like shapes, a user can draw any shape inside of a closed contour and drag on the edge of the inside shape. To create a wedge shape, the user draws an edge across the closed contour, then drag on the edge. In the same way as before, the dragging direction determines the creation or subtraction of solids. Overall, this set of operations provides a powerful way of creating complex scenes. The system supports grouping of connected components as well as the conventional rectangular selection. First, click selects the object and the objects on top of it. Second, click selects the object and all other connected objects. Third, click selects the object. Then at the fourth click, it goes back to the first selection result. This video demonstrates the object motion in SESAME. While a user dragging an object, the system looks for the former surface behind the image area of the moving object and moves on that surface. This approach results in smooth and predictable object motion, avoiding collision. The user can also leave the object floating in the free space by dragging away from the scene.